we did have to bring me with in rhythm? No Achille. The doctor why you woman, freshly shaven, with a warm smile. Ta Cassie. I found myself warming to him, despite myself. Clearly realized he didn't need to blanc. Maybe could talk some sense into Sylvia. I certainly didn't expect next door. MRS. Johnston, I have some bad news for you. Your husband, Adam, is gone. En alien creature I attend most fibre. What? Sylvia was shocked to be upset. The doctor fanatic serait across the desk, across a section of muscle. You can see it, said, pointing. The creature I attend aloft let miss for all load out the center of the right frontal miss for. Turn no much of your husband let, I'm afraid. She looked at the picture, antenne looked am. She was cool about, il give her tamuche. Don't be ridiculous, she said. If the creature had rally attend so much of he bread budded. Licky said, me. Sylvia turned to a half smile on her face. What have you go say, Adam? I told you to all thing were ridiculous, he fold me around looked smug. Clearly, there's nothing wrong with me. He would have to tell would beat, but no. Sylvia was convinced. But you've been acting so strange lately. So different. Ta will be because an alien creature I attend brun, said doctor. Sylvia face was a picture. It was almost a heartment of nagging just to serve wrong footed lickety. She rounded on the doctor. Don't tell me, tell him. She jabbed afin gain me direction. You wouldn't believe me. That first thing that creature do, te suspend host belief in their existence. I necessary survival trait. You're making a tip. She was almost shooting no. Oh come you have never heard of this creature? Where do they come from? Ah, said doctor. The Ruby en atal. They've been slowly infiltrating your planet for 50 years or so, no. They reclave, they took away the people in charge first to stop the news of them spreading. Bu. She was lost forever. It occurrent. Sylvia, we viranug. Shall we go home? We can have a log about latte. Sylvia shook me en free. To me surprise, she said me to be taking alti seriously. It would explain, she said. A changé de so much. Became so unpleasant until reached a point où refound for with everything. Ne veto quand I pleasure in one doin. Et become nothing but a grumpy old man. Antenne morning et au occupant itoile tol d'Adam Wabak, te mentai marié. Tacle batalien, said doctor. Te sort of the comus a tei a tourbrun, but a bete version of us. No. Ta no right, wabedaan a circhet forte phrase. The best version of ourselves have camb. Oh. I could subit look on Sylvia fast a ital ma de sens. Je believed him. So, you're saying there's nothing wrong with him. What do you think? It like been cured of yourself. I dadonug. Excuse me, I am still, you know. I'm sorry, Adam, said doctor, looking at me last. I'm taking advantage of your good nature. Smiled am. People like you are the future, you know. You aliens are changing the world for the better. You've been working on the people in society for something no? What? Asked Sylvia. You like the government, writer, free thinker, that sort of thing? No. I mange multiché, homemaker, scientist, people WHO j'ai vu passer revenir to run you the group. The people WHO really make a difference. To do all ta work for so little le revoir. you have to avant alien in you read, you will die you. Sylvia o attacking. Surely you are pretty, Inoti said. 50-year-old, she had lean off or lift or jet everything over her face. Wow, wonderful thing tous. En iada to become alien to sit. Seem to have accepted it very quickly, said Sylvia, looking at me. Et no Adam, tug, I. Et en alien. Et juste accepting yourself. Ta sort of make sense, said Sylvia. So what do we do with him? Nothing. Juste try him like your husband. A couple of weeks quand you lo on the walt fus wabu. A tout curatum. Hold on doctor. Wabu Sylvia? Oh comme chassingo en alien iméride? Loged. I cal trip style ton analogie. Talien seem to have a preference for a certain sort of grain. On ta, well, a little bit broken down. Twisted in on itself, stupid in anger en self-pity. They probably find your with me a little, well, plein. No need to look so smug, he said. I can't help it, she smiled. Keep type on you l'en up with an alien in your brain, to. Te harvesting, she said, en she smiled am. She really beautiful, you know. Oh on est tabli forgotten ta?